Second one is log 7.5 base 2, that is equal to 7.5 is the decimal form. Convert into the P by Q form. So 7.5 we can write it as 15 by 2. If you can cancel 15, 2 ones are 2 sevens are 14. 1 left over, 1 it's become 0. 7.25 are 10. 7.5 came again. So decimal form convert into the P by Q form. Why we convert like this? So it is in the form of log A by B. That's why we are converting decimal form into P by Q form. That is log A by B. That is equal to formula. Log A by B is equal to log A minus log B. This formula we can apply in this case. That is log A. What is A here? A by B. A is equal to 15. Base is same, that is base is applicable for these two terms, that is A and B. So base is same, that is 2 minus log B. What is B here? 2. Base is same for these two terms. So log 15 base 2. Just now we learned in the first question, log 15 base 2 value how much here? X plus 5. We can substitute directly here. Log 15 base 2 value how much we get it here? X plus 5. In the place of this, we can write this answer, that is x plus 5 minus log 2 base is same. Here also one formula we can apply, that is log A to the same base. What is here? A. Here also base is same. That value is always 1. In the same way here also log 2 same base 2. This value is always 1. This is the answer. In this third question and fourth, these two are homeworks. Next, come to the fourth bit. That fourth bit is expand the following. Expand. This given questions we can expand. We will see first one. Log 1000 to the base. Not base. Base is not there. So log 1000. So here log 1000 we can write in terms of 10 cube. If you can do LCM, we will get 10 cube as 1000. 1000 we can write it in the terms of 10 cube. That is equal to, as we discussed in the previous question, this power should become as quotient. This power 10 cube, in 10 cube 10 is the base and 3 is the power. 10 should come as a quotient. What is that? 3. 3 comes here. 3 comes here. 3 log 10. 3 log 10. So 3 into log 10 we can write it as in terms of 2 5s are 10. 2 5s 10. So LCM for 10. 2 5s are 10. So 3 log, again it is in the form of log A into B. One formula, that is log A into B. That is equal to log A plus log B. Log A plus log B. This formula we can apply in this case. Log A, what is A here? 2. And log B, what is B here? 5. So this formula we can apply here. Log A, what is log A? Log 2 plus log B is what here? 5. So this 3 is the common term for these two. So we can write it as 3 log 2 plus 3 log 5. This is the expand form of the given question. In the fourth bit, second question, that is, this is also expand form, log 128 by 625. This is our question. By seeing the question only we can understand. What is that? It is in the form of log A by B. It is in the form of log A by B. So that is log A minus log B. Log A by B. Log A by B. Log A by B is equal to log A. A for 128 minus log B. Log 625. For 128 we can do LCM. We will get 2 6 12, 2 4 8, 2 3 6, 2 2s, 2 1s, 2 6 12, 2 8 16, 2 4s, 2 2s And in the same way for 625 also. 625 we will write 25, 25 is 625. That I will show you now. 5 ones 5, 5 twos 10, 5 fives 25, 5 twos 10, 5 fives 25, 5 fives 25. Log 128 we can write in the terms of 2 how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 128 is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 to 2 raised to how many times? 7 times. In the same way 625 also raised how many times? 1, 2, 3, 4. 5 raised to 4 times. 5 to the power of 4. So in the place of 128 what we can write? Log 2 to the power of 7. Minus for minus log 625. 625 we can write in terms of 5 to the power of 4. 5 to the power of 4. Yes, next here log, here 2 is the base and 7 is the power. Power should become as quotient, that is 7. 7 log 2 minus for minus, it is also base is 5 here and 4 is the power. Power should comes as quotient, that is 4. 4 log 5. This is our answer. Next. In the same way, third one and fourth one homework. Now I will explain fifth one. See that log square root of x cube by y square. Log square root of x cube divided by y square. So here what we can write? Here root is extra. So this root x cube divided by y square. This root should become as power, that is half. It indicates half. That is 1 by 2. Log x cube divided by y square. This square root should become as power, that is half. That is equal to, this power should comes as a quotient, that is this power should comes here as a quotient, that is 1 by 2 log x cube by y square. Now you can see here it is in the form of again log a divided by b. Log a by b. Again we can apply same formula. Log a by b is equal to log a by b is equal to log a minus log b. Log a minus log b. That is half we can write here only. Half into log a. What is a here? X cube minus log b. Log b. Log b is what here? Y square. This half is applicable for these two terms. Half is the common for these log x cube minus log y square. Again, this 3 power should comes as quotient, that is 3. 3 ones are 3. 3 by 2 into log x minus again this also acts as quotient, that is 2. 2 ones are 2. Already divided by denominator as 2 log y. That is equal to 3 by 2 log x minus for minus 2 ones are 2 ones are gets cancelled. 1 into log y. This is the answer.
రాసుకుంటాం.